This is video 2, and it's not for notes, it's just for you to watch. These are some of the problems you're going to see today. So it says name all the labeled segments. So we know segments are part of lines. So we have to try to name them all. So there's several. So I see definitely A, B. I think I should probably go in some sort of order here, or I'm going to maybe not get one of them. So I'm going to keep with A and say the next one AC. And I'm putting my line segment on top. And then finally AD. So those are the only ones I can make using A. BA would be a repeat, and CA and DA would also be a repeat. Okay, I'm going to go with B now. B back to A, I already have that. So I'm going to say BC and BD. Okay, and that's all. And then I'll go to C, and the only one we have with C is from C to D. D is covered, because if I go backwards, D to C, that's right there. D to B, that's right there, and you get the idea. So that is all the labeled segments. There are 6 of them. Some of the questions today say name them all, and some say just name one. The next one says name all the labeled rays. So we're using still this picture up here. So I'm going to start with A and go to B. So that's the only one that starts at A and goes this way. You know, I'm not going to say AC or AD. All I need to say is AB. AC and AD would just be a repeat of AB because I'm starting here and I'm going forever this direction. Okay, so the next one would be starting at B and going forever this direction. So I could say either BC or BD. I'll just stick with BC. And then the next one, I'm going to go to C and go this way. So that would be CD. Okay, now how about if I go the other direction, opposite direction? So if I start here and go back this direction, I'm going D and then I pick any of these 3. So maybe DC, and then I'm going to go to C. How about CB? And then that's it for C. And then B would be just BA. Okay, so there's 6 labeled rays. So you just start on this side. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then start here. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Okay, name a pair of opposite rays with O as an endpoint. So here's O. I know one of them goes this way, and I know one of them goes this way. So ON is one of them, and O, I can say OP or OQ this direction. I'll just say OP. And there we go. Next one, you're going to be looking at some shapes today and finding some segments parallel or possibly parallel planes. So the first one says name a segment parallel to, and our first one is segment BC. So I need parallel to BC, and that's right back here, EF. Okay, and I could even put my parallel symbol there. AD's up here. There's actually 2 lines that are parallel to AD. I have the choice of BE or CE. I might even write them both, and just in case you guys have to write all of the ones today. Okay, next says name a plane parallel to plane DEF. So DEF is right back here. It's this. It's that triangle. This is a prism, and these are bases, and bases are parallel, and you can see that, you know, this would be parallel right here. So a plane parallel to DEF would be plane ABC. Next, name a pair of skew lines. So these are lines that are not going to intersect, and they're not on the same plane. They're not parallel. So if I choose maybe right here, AB, hopefully I can find one parallel to that. So I'll go ahead and I could keep line segment there, or I could make that a line. That would be your choice. Okay, so I need to find one that is skew to that one. I see a couple, right? CF would work here, and DF would work back here. Neither of them are on that same plane. This one would intersect the plane it's on. I'm going to go back here with DF. So I'll just put the and symbol in between. Name a pair of parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay, so let's see. I had them up here, right? A segment parallel to. It's going to be the same thing. AD, CF, that'd be a pair. Also with BE, I could choose AC and DF. I could choose AB and DE. There's a whole bunch here. I'm going to choose AB and DE. Okay, that's it. You can get started on your homework. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me.